episode 17 of On the Way Up. Today is a really special day. You know, the first time I got to ride the Wenatchee Express was super special, but I think today was even more special. So we're just waiting to get our certificate in hand so we can open up the Wenatchee Express to the public. But Larry graciously let the team that worked and poured their heart and soul and blood, sweat, and tears into this project ride the Wenatchee Express for the first time. It was really special. Just looking around that circle, 6 feet apart, of all of those faces who showed up every single day, starting in May, in order to get this lift built. They didn't give up. The long nights, the long hours, the long days, hauling everything up this mountain, staying, building, tying rebar, digging, forming, bolting, painting, scraping, everything. That every single one of those people just dedicated so much, and Larry rewarded us with a ride on the Wenatchee Express, and we couldn't be more proud. And I couldn't be more proud to look around that circle and just be thankful. And we are so excited to bring this to our valley and to the community at Mission Ridge. I think the one thing that our guests and our mountain community is going to be so stoked about is, you know, Chair 2 ride can be a little windy and a little cold. And you can hear the wind whistling through this right now. But with this bubble, you're so protected. It feels like you're in a gondola. And there is nothing like this in the Northwest. This is going to just be a game changer for people being able to ski all day without freezing to death. That it's just, you get to the top of the mountain in, you know, just a little over 6 minutes, I think. And it's awesome. So this bubble on the bubble chair, game changer. On the Way Up.